Hello, welcome to Auto Critic USA. The 2025 Polaris RZR XP 1500 is not just an off-road vehicle, it's a revolution in the world of extreme adventure machines. Designed with precision and style to turn heads, this beast in its red and black avatar is built to conquer the wildest terrains with unmatched power, agility, and style. From the very first glance, the XP 1500 asserts dominance. The striking red and black color combination gives it a bold and aggressive persona. Its futuristic design is accentuated by sharp lines, sculpted panels, and a muscular stance that screams performance. The wide body is fitted with oversized off-road tires that boast deep treads, ideal for clawing through mud, sand, rocks, or snow. These are paired with custom blacked-out alloy wheels that enhance both form and function. At the front, the RZR XP 1500 features a redesigned grille flanked by powerful LED headlights and aggressive DRLs, daytime running lights. A custom-built front bumper with integrated LED light bars adds to the visual flair while providing additional illumination during night runs or deep trail rides. The matte black and red accents across the body blend ruggedness with a sporty finish, while the high ground clearance ensures the vehicle stays unchallenged even on the roughest paths. Inside, the XP 1500 has been significantly upgraded to match the power it delivers. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind: ergonomic controls, premium seating, and a digital dashboard that puts all the important data right where you need it. With Polaris Ride Command System, you get GPS navigation, performance tracking, and group ride connectivity, making every off-road trip smarter and safer. Under the hood, the 2025 model is powered by a new generation engine tuned for higher torque and horsepower. The XP 1500 now features a 1500cc parallel twin engine delivering blistering acceleration and incredible low-end power, perfect for rock crawling or high-speed dune blasting. The new suspension system provides better articulation and comfort, making long rides feel effortless. Coupled with high travel shocks and a reinforced chassis, this machine can handle serious punishment without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features is the advanced AWD system. Whether you're taking sharp corners on loose gravel or scaling steep inclines, the Polaris RZR XP 1500 delivers exceptional grip and handling. Stability and traction control come standard, enhancing safety during high-speed rides. Additionally, the roll cage is built to racing standards, and the vehicle features 4-point harness-ready seating for added security. The customization possibilities are endless with Polaris' wide range of aftermarket upgrades, from roof-mounted light bars and winches to sound systems and cargo racks. It's a machine built for enthusiasts who love pushing limits. In terms of looks, performance, and tech, the 2025 RZR XP 1500 doesn't just raise the bar, it redefines it. Whether you're an off-road veteran or a newcomer to adventure vehicles, this ride will exceed your expectations. The 2025 Polaris RZR XP 1500 is more than a vehicle, it's a bold statement of adventure, engineering, and innovation. With its powerful performance, aggressive design, and top-tier features, it promises an unforgettable off-road experience. If you enjoyed this review and want more exciting content on futuristic vehicles, insane modifications, and real-world performance tests, don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring you more epic builds and detailed insights. Stay tuned for more adrenaline-fueled content.